Hello my friends. There are several ways to reset the password for a local account, and today we will look at one of them. This is a pretty easy way and it will work on Windows 11, Windows 10 and Windows 8, and if you have any questions along the way, you can write to me in the comments below and I will try to help you. This is actually a big problem when you cannot open your computer. You are trying to remember your password, but it doesn't work. You can reset your password and come up with a new one, but you haven't created a dedicated password reset flash drive. Don't worry, look carefully, repeat exactly after me, step by step, and we will succeed. And so, in order to reset the password, we need to open a command prompt, and first I will show you 4 ways to open a command prompt. Method number 1. On your keyboard, press and hold the Shift key, and then click here, and restart your computer. The automatic system recovery program has opened. Click Troubleshoot. Then, Advanced Options. Now press Command Prompt. This was the first way to open a command prompt. Depending on the configuration of the operating system, the program may ask for your password before opening the command line. In this case, I suggest opening the command line in a different way. For those with command prompt open, you can skip the second and third methods and go straight to making changes to the registry editor. How to open the command prompt. Method number 2. And so, to open the command prompt, we restart the computer for this. And as soon as the system starts to boot, we immediately press the reset button to force the computer to restart. If your computer is UEFI, the Windows boot will show dots rotating in a circle, just like in my video, and you immediately force restart your computer. And if on your PC BIOS and you see the Windows logo, then also immediately press the reset button. If this is happening on your laptop, when the Windows logo first appears or dots rotating in a circle, press and hold the power button for about 4 seconds until the laptop turns off, and then turn on the laptop again. Continue to force restart your computer or laptop several times, until System Restore starts and you see a white font on your monitor. The automatic system recovery program has opened. Click here. Then, Troubleshoot. Click Advanced Options. Now press Command Prompt. Depending on the configuration of the operating system, the program may ask for your password before opening command prompt. For such a case, I suggest opening the command prompt in a different way. Method number 3. If your system asks for a password to open a command prompt, you need to connect a Windows 7, 8, Windows 10 or Windows 11 installation USB flash drive to your computer, or you can also use a Windows installation DVD. Usually, using such a bootable USB flash drive or DVD disk, Windows is installed on the computer. Whether your version of Windows is Home or Pro, any edition of Windows will work to reset your password. Connect this USB flash drive or Windows DVD to your computer and restart your computer. Immediately after the start of the reboot, continuously press a certain key on the keyboard to bring up the boot menu. I press the F12 key, for you it could be F8, F9, F11, F12, or some other key. There is no single standard and different computers may have different keys to call the boot menu. The boot menu opens, find the installation USB flash drive or DVD in the boot menu, press Enter. The Windows installation menu will open, but we will not install anything, just press Shift and F10 at the same time and the command line immediately opened. Sometimes this method does not work, and now I will show you the 4th and final way to open a command prompt. Method number 4. The first few steps of the 4th method are exactly the same as method number 3. We boot the computer from the Windows installation USB flash drive or Windows DVD, and wait for the Windows installation menu to open. But we will not install Windows here either. In the menu we will click Next. Click Repair your computer. The automatic system recovery program has opened. Click Troubleshoot. Now press Command Prompt. Now write on the command line, regedit, and click Enter. The registry editor opens. Here you need to click once, H key local machine. Click File. And click Load Hive. Here we need to find the drive where the Windows operating system is installed. On my computer, this drive is marked with the letter E. On your computer or laptop, the drive with Windows installed may be marked with a completely different letter. It may be the letter D or another letter. We also see here a bootable USB flash drive with which we open the command prompt, and a few more small Windows partitions, or rather, small directories for system files. To find a disk with Windows installed, you need to focus on the size of the disk. After all, the disk with the Windows operating system must be larger in size than small system partitions. It is possible that another large storage drive is connected to your computer, but if you open such a drive, you will immediately see that the Windows folder is not in it. My computer does not have a separate disk or partition for storing data, and therefore I have the largest disk here. This is the disk with the Windows operating system, and I open it. In this window, open the Windows folder. Next, locate and open the folder, System32. In this window, open the folder, Config. Here find the file, System, and double-click on it. In this window, you need to specify a name for the created folder. I will name this folder, Disk. You can name this folder by any other name. The name of this folder has no meaning for the process. Press OK. Open the folder, H key local machine. So, we have created a folder, Disk, and now we open it. Locate the folder, Setup, and click on it. Now find the file on the right, CMD line, and double-click on it. In the window that opens, write cmd.exe, and click OK. Now find the file, setup.tup, and double-click on it. In this window, instead of 0, enter the number 2. Click OK. Then find the folder, Disk, and click on it once. Then click File, and click Unload Hive. Click Yes, and close this folder. Close Command Prompt and click Continue loading Windows. If you use the third or fourth method, close the installation menu. Click Yes. The computer will automatically restart. The operating system has started loading. The command prompt was opened. Here we will write net, click spacebar, user. Click Enter. Now we see our account name, my name, James. Now we write net. Press spacebar, user. Click the spacebar, your account name, I write James. Press spacebar. Put a sign, an asterisk, for this press on the keyboard, Shift and number 8, at the same time, and click Enter. We do not write the password, we have deleted the password, and instead of the password, we have an empty space. Click Enter. Then you need to press again, Enter. As a result, the command was successfully completed. Now we do not have a password, and the command prompt can be closed. If your name is made up of several separate words, this could be a problem. In this case, try this. Try putting your name between the two hooks, for example, James Smith. In this line write, net, press spacebar, user, press spacebar, James Smith, press spacebar, put an asterisk. Try to enter your name without the spacebar in one word, for example, James Smith. Try these different options. We close the command prompt, and to do this, write, exit. We click, enter. And we started to reboot the computer. Click, here. And now we do not enter a password, and we entered our system without any problems. If you have forgotten your password and it is very important for you to unlock your computer, repeat all these steps and you can also reset your password. And so, we removed the password and now our PC is left unprotected, and any unauthorized person can use our personal data. Now I will set a new password on my computer, and if you need to do that too, follow me step by step and you will protect your computer or laptop if you set a new password. Press the button, Start. Then, Settings. In this window, press Accounts. Sign in options. Click Password. And here click Add. A window has opened, and here you need to enter a new password. Confirm new password. Here you need to enter a password hint. Next. Finish. Now my computer is under protection and I hope that what I just said could help you, and if you found it useful, please share my video with anyone. Write me a comment, I will answer all your questions and try to help you. Thank you very much for your attention to my video. Have a nice day, everyone.